Hello guys, check out this label or sticker I just printed and placed. Caution, he's like he's gonna be like a crazy driver, a drift driver. So needed some yellow, so I printed that. Think it looks cool back there. You can't see the red letters, but they're there because of the flash. It says caution. There you go. Sideways you can see the red, not forward. Yeah, it's weird. Oh, that's cool. Oh well. So that's that. I think I'm done with this. I'm waiting for the turbos and see if I could put them or not. If I don't put them, I put the little muffler in the back, the exhaust. So I like that chrome like that though. But let's see what happens. Oh yeah. I think it's cool. To be a Lexan body, looks better than before. Yeah, that's my attitude. Oh yeah.